Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Let's get back to an item we told you about earlier. Title contenders Cavalier got their season off and running as round 2 of the Jamaica Women's Premier League provided some exciting derby results on Saturday.
After ending 1-1 with UWI women in their opening game of Zone A last week, Cavalier SC were eager to collect their first 3 points of the Jamaica Women's Premier League season when they hosted Wi-Fi United, who were coming off a 2-0 win over Proven Girls. And it was the visitors who took the lead when Evernique McCleary opened the scoring in the 5th minute. Cavalier struck back in the 30th through Anelia Perkins, who made it 1-1. Janelle Graham then made it 2-1 to the hosts in minute 44, and with no more goals in the contest, it was Cavalier who walked away with all 3 points.
Yeah, I'm very pleased because I know the girls that had it in them and they could do it. So I'm very pleased because at the beginning we got a easy goal scored against us that shouldn't have scored, but they fought back and came back and win the game 2-1.
If we had done the job, I'm sure right now we would be celebrating from first half, and that was the intent. Some of our players are out and some are still not registered, so I'm sure that next time around, Cavaliers need to come at us with some real fight, or they're in for it. But nonetheless, we want to thank them for what they did here today.
In the games from Zone A, Arnett Gardens made it 2 wins from 2 as they blanked UWI women 3-0, while Real Mona and Proven Girls played out a 1-1 draw. Out west in the St. James Derby from Zone B, Springers United beat Real Mabay 3-0 at Jarrett Park. Maxwell provided the assist for Kishara Bailey, who opened the scoring in the 14th minute. Maxwell then added her name to the score sheet in the 25th minute with a thunderous strike from a free kick. And the scoring was completed by Trishelle Thorpe in the 49th. Elsewhere in the zone, defending champions Fraser's Whip clipped Fellow St. Catherine team Federal United 2-1, with Christina Salmon scoring twice for the title holders. Venetia Reid also scored twice to give Los Perfectas a 3-0 win over Mile Gully.